here's some Needlework Arts trivia. Subscribe. Which stitch is used to create crosses? Is it A, cross stitch, B, chain stitch, C, satin stitch, or D, back stitch? The correct answer is A, cross stitch. What type of stitching secures 2 layers? Is it A, whip stitch, B, basting, C, cross stitch, or D, running stitch? The correct answer is B, basting. Name the craft that combines needle and thread. Is it A, macrame, B, sewing, C, crocheting, or D, weaving? The correct answer is B, sewing. What is a common fabric used for embroidery? Is it A, polyester, B, nylon, C, acrylic, or D, linen? The correct answer is D, linen. What fabric is most commonly used for rag rugs? Is it A, old clothing, B, synthetic fibers, C, leather, or D, denim? The correct answer is A, old clothing. What technique involves embellishing fabric with gold? Is it A, embroidery, B, silk painting, C, fabric dyeing, or D, gold work? The correct answer is D, gold work. What type of embroidery is characterized by a raised effect? Is it A, relief embroidery, B, applique, C, cross stitch, or D, chain stitch? The correct answer is A, relief embroidery. What term refers to sewing motifs on fabric? Is it A, quilt design, B, sewing pattern, C, fabric art, or D, embroidery design? The correct answer is D, embroidery design. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.